Hello everyone. So the purpose of this tutorial is to show you how you can reverse a video and also change its speed. Okay, so let me just grab one video from my C drive and drop it right there. And then if you're gonna do any changes, just drop it, grab it and drop it all the way in the bottom here where it says video track 1. Alright, so let's play this video just to show you what I have here. As you see, what I'm gonna do is to play this video, I'm gonna do changes so that the video will be in reverse. Okay, so I would recommend one thing, that is to delete your audio, because otherwise the video sound or the audio will sound really weird if it's in high speed and in reverse. Okay, so here is how you can delete the audio. I'm gonna right click where it says audio track 1. I'm gonna right click on that, and then I'm gonna go all the way here on top where it says unlink from video and click on that. Alright, now the audio is unlinked from the video. I'm gonna click on that and then click on delete from my keyboard, and you see my audio is gone. Alright, so there will be no audio now. Okay, so here is how you can reverse it. I'm gonna right click on the video. I'm gonna go where it says reverse clip. See, it's quite easy. Click on that and then here is my video. It's in reverse. Okay, now let me show you how you can change its speed. Basically, while this video track is highlighted, I go to video effects and then I go all the way to the bottom where it says change clip speed. I click on that. So by default it would say 100, and think of it as that's your speed of your video. It's 100. With VideoPad, the maximum speed you could go is 800, which is actually 8 times the speed of your current video, right? So if I click 800 here, or if I type 800 there and click set, you would see now that, let me bring this all the way to the beginning and let me play it. See how it's playing fast? That's 8 times the original speed. So that's about it. Now let me just show you one thing, is how you would save this video that I just changed. You go to file and then you go to export video, and then you see where it says save to. You can browse to wherever you want, maybe your desktop or anywhere in your C drive. Right, let me just say desktop and click save. Now it's not saved yet. There are some few parameters that you could change. I usually have file format set to MP4, but there are a lot of options you can choose from. There is the MPG, there is the WMV, so many of them. I like MP4, so I keep that. And then the resolution, the one that I have is 1920 x 1080. Okay, that is one that is recommended for YouTube, but you can always change that. But just be careful, the higher resolution you go, the more space it would take in your computer or in your computer memory. So I keep it right there in the middle, and that's it. And then you click on create, and that's it. So it will, as you see here, it would take some few seconds before it will launch, but it will save it to that desktop. I choose desktop, but you could choose anything else. Thank you very much for watching, and hope to see you in my next video. Thank you.